Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Now, this indicator MST iCore 2.0 premium version. It is an advanced version released in 7 years back, and we have updated many things in the latest version, that is 2023 version. Let me show you the demo how to use this indicator based on today's performance. For example, I have taken Nifty Bank and I have kept in 3 minutes time frame. You can keep in 1 minute, 30 seconds or 15 minutes, whichever time frame you want to keep it if you are trading in intraday. So now once you have added the indicator, come on to these settings, and at the bottom you will be able to see something called reset settings. Then click on to reset settings. That's all. Then click OK. Consider that now market has just opened. So once the market is open, immediately we will be getting 5 lines formed. So one at the middle, two at the top and two at the bottom. Wait for the market for some time, for 5 to 10 minutes to settle. After that, if the market is coming, if the price is coming at the top first, then you have to sell. It means what? Suppose say 43,498 is our sell entry. If the market is coming to that level, then you can buy 43,500 put option, or 43,400 put option, or 43,200 put option. How I am selecting the put strike price here? The sell entry is at 43,498. So what is the nearby strike price for the put option? 43,500. Or you can come down to 43,200, that is the midpoint. So whichever you want, that you can choose. And if you want to take deep ITM, then that second top line, that is 43,600 put option also you can take. Similarly, at the bottom, if the market is coming down to 42,975 first, we will be buying the call option either at ATM or ITM or OTM. So whichever you want, you can take. Now what is the ATM price? 42,975 is the ATM. So nearby strike 43,000 call option. Then ITM 42,800 call option. Then OTM 43,200 call option. So per day only one trade. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. If you are an aggressive trader, you can trade both the side. It depends on you. So now again I am running the market. So it is not reached either top level or bottom line level. So we are waiting for the entry. Yeah, now we are getting the entry at the sell side. See here, we got the entry for the put option. Now once the seller buy is activated, go to settings of the indicator and select sell targets and buy target also. Second buy targets. Why? Because we don't know market where it will go, whether it will go to exact our target side or opposite side. So whichever side it is going, we should be ready with. So if sell activated, you have to go for the sell entry. If buy activated, you have to go for the buy entry. If SL hit, you have to go for the reversal entry. So now the market is consolidating. Our SL is safe. It is coming down, but we don't know whether it will go back or it will come to our target side. Yeah, two targets have been achieved without hitting our stop loss. Two target hit without hitting our stop loss. If you want, you can exit at the first target, or you can revise your stop loss to cost and you can wait for the second target. Similarly, you can keep revising other stop loss and wait for the remaining all the three targets. Now all the three targets have been achieved. All the three targets have been achieved. That's all. Our trading is over. So this is how we have to trade. So you can select any script, any commodity or NSE market or currency or Bitcoin something, anything you can choose. Our indicator will perform well. So if you have any doubts, please call us on the given number 9500009154. First you WhatsApp us, then you will get all the required information. So if required, you can call and you can discuss with us. See here, even after giving all the targets, it keeps going down. Now how to select the next level? See, we want to know where are the other levels. For that we have given here, come down in the target section, you can select first sell target 4. Then you can select first sell target 5. First sell target 6. So based on your requirement, you can keep adding the targets, depends on the market move. So I'm selecting target 4 also. So it is done because of the movement we had in the market. It is not possible to have always like this. Now how to do that? I have told one tip. So just add super trend, which is there in our indicator, and whenever super trend is turning back, so that side you can exit. Otherwise you can keep the mark, you can keep trading until your super trend is turning to opposite side. So that's all. See here, exactly it has reversed from our top zone, that is our sell zone. So from 43,567 to 42,545, almost 1000 points you have got in our bank nifty trade using our indicator. 1000 points. It is not a small target. It is very big target because of the movement we had in our market. Hope this is clear. Thank you all. If you are not watched, subscribe to our indicator and YouTube channel, please subscribe and contact us. Please share the video to all your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. All the best.